E36 fanatics, Steven here. Today I'm going to be removing the headlight assembly on a BMW E36. This is a 1996 328i. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove the tail light right here. There is a clip. Here's the clip right here. You just pull that back and pull it back and push the tail light out and it comes out. You don't actually have to disconnect the tail light. You can just leave it right there so you can see the clip right there. All right, next thing you want to do, go ahead and remove these 3 bolts right here, screws, whatever. They are, what size are these? These are 8mm bolts, and you may have to hold the threads in here with, you can hold it like this and then unscrew it. All right, so I got these removed. Now you got 2 more bolts. I'll show you the other one. All right, you got 2 more bolts. See that one down there? That is another 8mm holding in the headlight assembly. Right down there. And you got 1 more right here. At this point, the headlight assembly is out. You got 2 connectors right here. It's just got a little plastic plate piece that you unplug, and your headlight assembly's out.